Hey guys, welcome back to Triple T. And as you all know, last week I became a premium member on Reddit after someone donated me 100 coins on Reddit. And it's only for a week, so I need to do those videos soon. And then when I became a premium member, so many beautiful and stunning skins were unlocked, like the one which I have right now. And then if you're a premium member, your skin glows up like that, this yellow color thing, I don't know what to say, but somehow you can see diamonds. I'm going to show you what's the difference between a premium skin and then a normal skin. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, it's very easy to style your avatar on Reddit. So first what you have to do is go to your profile and then click on style avatar, and then you'll be redirected to a page where you can style it. So then there are many things you can do it. And then this is a close look for my skin. I have 3 diamonds and all over my hand, and it makes me look rich. And then I have a yellow hair which you can only see a bit, and then I have a hat and tuxedo. So then after that you can choose anything that you can customize: spring break, face, top, bottom, and then body, hair, heads, those kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start from the beginning, a spring break, and then from that it's like a bottom, but then it's a bottom where you can wear in the springs. In springs, you can wear, it's not hot, but it's hot, so that you need to wear shorts. So those are these kind of stuff, but I don't like to click them because, oh, okay, no worries, I can get it because I'm a premium member. I can get this anytime. So these icons are right here, and these skins are for the premium members. And as I'm a premium member for a week, I can choose, I can keep them, but I don't know whether it will go after a week, not sure. So I'm gonna keep it until then and make videos. So these 3 are only for normal members, and these are all for the premium members. So if I click here, my whole thing changes, and then it's only the hat is on left, and then you can choose anything. And then guys, if you are not premium member, you can't choose this. It will say buy premium something, and then from here you can choose whether you can wear a sunglass, those kind of stuff. I like this one the best, but only, and not guys, only premium members can use this. And then makeup, that's for girls, not for us. And then face, let's go to face, and then from here you can choose your eye posture, whether you could blink or else open your eyes, smile, and this kind of stuff. And if you are a premium member, you can be a superhero or else big hero 6, what do you call that, 6, the white guy, I can't remember the name, but somehow you can be someone like that. And then you can be a girl if you want. Not a girl, I think this is a girl, yeah, maybe. And then these are the makeups. If you are a girl, you can choose this. And then for the tops, the next one. And then so there are many tops that you can use. My favorite one is this one, and this one, and then this one. Yeah, this is my favorite. If you're rock style somebody like that, it's the best for you. And then let's go to the bottom. And then not guys, after this part, it's only for premium members. So, and this is the one I was wearing before, but there's a whole kit at the end. I'm going to show you to guys. And then these are all the things that only premium members can. So you can buy now the premium member because it's very easy, and it unlocks some cool features which I'll show you also in the next video. And this is one feature. And then let's go to the bottom, and there's just the t-shirts, trousers, and those kind of stuff. I'm going to choose this one for now. And then the head, and this for the hair. So for my one, I'm going to choose a boy hair because I like this one, no, this one. And then from here you can choose the color of the hair, maybe, and then you can choose the what, the color, the scale of the color. I'm just gonna make it more white, no yellow, and then at last the body. So from here, guys, you can choose the whole kit without customizing it one by one. So you can make an item or something like that. And here is the younger version. Let me just take off this makeup because I look ugly with that. I'm a boy, so I'm gonna keep it like that. Nope, it doesn't go. Wait a second, guys. Oh no. Okay, yeah, this one. And then let me go to the body. And then here are the kits that you can choose. And this is the basic of being a millionaire. So it's like a millionaire, 2 gems, and to be a billionaire, you can click here, but it comes only with the premium one, and it's here. So to make it look like you are a billionaire, you have 3 diamonds, and then I think your shoes change. No, your shoes doesn't change, but your sunglasses change. And then yeah, that's it. But somehow it's very cool, guys. And also you can be a superhero if you want. As you can see, it's like Thanos. So I'm gonna be choosing the one I like, and then or else you can click here and then get a random a random suit. If I click here, and then it's just a random one. If I click again here, you can choose those kind of stuff, but for me I like this one, so I'm gonna click here and then save to profile. And then guys, if you are not a premium member, you are not able to add this, but somehow as I'm a premium member, I am able to. But undo, it doesn't go away. I don't know why. She swallowed the fly. I know an old lady who swallowed it. Okay, so is the one that I like. So you can save it. Click on save to profile, and then you can preview it right here what it looks like, and then continue. And guys, not that if you are not a premium member already, you won't be able to get this, but you can take a screenshot and then do something like that, but you can't add them. So you need to be a premium member to do this. But if you are not a premium member, you can just take these. And I know, guys, being a premium member is a bit expensive because I think it's $5 per week. Well, let me check. Premium. Reddit, my profile. Let me quickly check. Oh, here, Reddit Premium. And then, yes, I told you guys, $50 per year, or else $5 per month. And guys, in these days, in this COVID-19 situation, is a bit hard, I know. So, but if you manage to get 100 coins, you can be a premium member for free and then do this kind of stuff, but it's only a week. So as I got 100 coins and I'm a premium member for a week, I'm gonna do these kind of videos and then enjoy for the fullest. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, drop thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And then guys, see you in the next video with another Reddit premium video. I don't know. Bye.
That little bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.